What up, YouTube? YouTube! What up? B Reeve with the Happy Golfer, back with another short par 4 executive unboxing. Go to the description below. You want 25% off your first order? Copy that link, drop it in there. Let's get into this bad boy, huh? Come on. December. Jesus, I'm struggling here. First out the gate, 30% off discount. Shop at GrahamLux.com. There we go. What do you think about that? Not much. All right. Boom. This looks nice. What do we got here? Graham Lux. Shorts, pants? Pants. Ooh. Wow, these feel great. $90 retail value. Boom. Wow, these are nice. These are really nice. All right. Got some more Graham Lux here. Wow, this looks really nice as well. Wow. Beautiful black coat here. $168 retail. What's up?
Are you recording?
Yeah, look at this. Little short par 4 unboxing here.
Yeah,
what do you think about that? Pretty solid. Really solid, actually.
Oh, it's pretty hard, dog.
We got golf divot tool, little short par 4. Pretty nice there. Really nice, actually. What else? That looks like it's about it. Poker chip. You want to see it? Stay tuned. You don't want to see it? Get out of here. Here she be. All I want. All I want. That'll be it for today, guys. As always, phenomenal. Just a phenomenal box. Worth every penny. We got, what, $90 there, $170 here. Every dollar worth of your money back. Like I said, if you want your $25 or dollars, percent, whatever it is, discount off your first order, click the description below. I'm going to keep it coming. You guys keep it coming. These short par 4 boxes, top tier. So, like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one, guys.